today we talk about how can you disable commands you follow notifications on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on account settings. So when you click on account settings, then it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on manage notifications. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here and you come here to comments you follow. Then you click in this sign or this color, and like you see color it's gone. That's mean comments you follow, notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.